Hello my friends, thanks for joining me. Today I am putting together a MemoryDex card for B&D Crafts and More 1500 subscriber giveaway. Brian would like a MemoryDex with your info, and I actually am using a Rolodex, and I hope the little notches on the bottom are the correct size. So at any rate, he has his giveaway going until August 31st, 2024. I'm starting out by covering the MemoryDex with scrap papers that were laying around on my desk. So I'm just getting a base down with the scrap papers. Brian has all the information about his giveaway on his community tab, and I will link his channel in my description box if you want to check it out. He has a grand prize, which is a goodie box by Mindless Crafting. His second prize is a $25 gift card to Scrappy Tales Crafts. His third prize is a $5 gift card to Spectrum Art Creations. As you can see, I'm putting a little ink on here just to cover the white part of the card because there might be some areas that don't get covered completely with paper. While I'm working on getting the base papers down, I wanted to mention to you two other giveaways that are going on. BB's Closet Creations is having a 1K birthday celebration giveaway that I am co-hosting with her. And I am having a 4K giveaway that's going on right now. So you can check mine out on my channel. I will link the video in my description box. And there are a few ways that you can join BB's Closet Creations giveaway. One is to go to the live that she and I did together when we made the announcement. I'll link that in the description box. And all you have to do is put in the comments that you'd like to be entered. But also, I will link her channel in my description box because I think she'll have something up on her community tab, and she might also have her own video. Alright, the background is done and everything is cut to size, so now I'm going to add this fun piece. I'm using some hot glue just to make sure it sticks on the MemoryDex properly. Friends, I grabbed a piece of cardboard and I folded it in half so it's 2-ply, so it's nice and thick, very strong. I covered it with some scrap paper that I have. I'm going to attach it to the back of the MemoryDex. You can see I cut my information in half, so I have this nice space here that I can go ahead and attach this to. And then what I'm going to do is attach one of these pieces, and I think I'm going to go with the one way because it just, the size I think is really good. So here we go. We are going to go ahead and add some hot glue to this. Add that. Let me make sure I put it in the right spot. I'm going to tilt it a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I'm hoping that I can glue this here. Yeah, I think so. I think I can. And I just think that's cute, and it adds another level to it. So I'm going to add just a little hot glue to this just to be sure it's able to stick nicely. There we go. I don't think it has to necessarily look super pretty on this side, but it's important that it looks super pretty on this side. All right, here it is up close. I don't think I want to add anything else to it. I like it the way that it is. I think it's fun. My information is on the back. So I'm going to pop this into the mail, and this is for Brian of B&D Crafts, and it's for his giveaway. Thanks for watching. See you soon.